Hello guys, welcome back into this tutorial. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you very much for following Nomax TV. So now I'm going to show you how you can manage all your phone callers in the same place. You want to manage your outgoing calls, you want to manage your incoming calls, and you want to manage your favorite contacts. You want to manage also your save the contact on your Android phone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage all your Android phone calls in your one place, so you can be easy to for you to be accessing all the information related to calls in your Android phone. So if you didn't subscribe to this channel Nomax TV, please subscribe, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Nomax TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. You see now in my Android phone, I'm having this phone call ID, and you can see this phone call. So this phone now, and you know the purpose of this phone. So the purpose of this one is to help you also starting call and typing and adding new code in your Android phone, or choosing whether you are going to choose the phone number you can call to the person. So now I'm going to show another application that you can use to manage all the calls in one place. And this one can show you this. It can show you the contact here, and it can show you the history here. This is a history which is the previous called number and the previous callers which were calling you. So it also shows the favorite here. And now we are going to download this application. You are going to go into your Play Store and download this application. So once you reach at Play Store, now you see there is various applications in your Play Store and games. So you need to come here at the top, and you can be choosing whether I want to choose the apps, and slow down here and choose apps. Once you have chosen app, now you can click here also. So now once you have chosen apps, now you are going to type here in the search bar and type Truecaller ID. Truecaller ID. So once you type Truecaller ID, now you click enter or OK. So then you wait. As you can see here, there are various applications that are loading. So once you see here, there is also none of the applications. Also you can be deciding. You see, as you can decide on these applications, they are Truecaller ID, Truecaller ID name. So now what you need to do, you don't need to select on this one. Also once you type Truecaller ID, you are going to get the result which is different from the one of the application you want to install in your Android phone. So what you are going to do is to type now core apps. So core apps. When we type core apps or core app are the same, and we are going to find or to get the Leo app we want. So now what you need to do here, we need to scroll down and see whether we can see the core apps in our Android phone. You see here there are calling applications which are different, and you can see this one is having 10 millions plus download, and you can see this one is having 500 millions plus downloads. What you need to do, you need to come here and scroll down and see this one. As you can see, this one, it is saying TruePhone, Dira, and the contacts, and this one is having 10 million plus downloads. So in the Play Store, what you need to do, you need to click on this application. Once you click on this application, also you click install. Yes, now you wait for this installation to end. So once the installation finished, now we are going to proceed with the next steps and showing you how you can use this application to manage all your calls and your incoming and outgoing calls in your Android phone, your favorite calls, your saved calls on your Android phone. So we are going to see this whole processes in your Android phone. Now I'm going to see now the installing. so you need to wait some minutes, or it takes some seconds to finish. Now once it finished, we can proceed with this. So you see now this process now is about the end. So what you need to do now, after doing this, you need to click open this application. You see now it is already installed in your Android phone, and you are going to click open on this application to start using it, or to start those processes. So as it continues loading, it is the matter of not having yet installed it, but once it's installed, you are going to click this open and click open. So this application also is going to open its immediately and direct you to the destination, so you can be starting installing this application. So now, as you can see here, now it is already now installed. Now let's just click on the open. So once we clicked on open, you see now it is asking me various options. You see it is saying thank you for installing TruePhone. To continue, please provide following permissions. What you need to do, you need to come here to the permissions and set permissions here. Yes, and click allow, allow, yes, allow. So after this, also you can come here below and draw over other apps. Now you need to select here and draw over other apps. So now, okay, so once you click this, now I'm going to turn on this option to allow this application to be displaying over apps and showing on your home screen of your Android phone. Yes, okay, like this. So once you are done, now it is going to start showing you the informations in your Android phone. As you can see now, it is showing you the phone. So the phone you see here below is different from the one I had already having. So as you can see now, this one is showing the SIM 1, SIM 2, and as you can see, the first one I was using Place View 3 was showing the only one. So now let me go back to the phone Apple for previous usage and show you how it is. So as you can see, I was having this one, and when I click on this one, you are going to see that it is different. As you can see, when I choose to type here, and you can see here below on the various options of calling, the various option here, of course it is only showing one, and you are going to choose which SIM you are going to use for calling somebody in your Android phone. So but this one, you see there is a different, and you can see the options are different. What you need to do, you need to come back and also click on it, as you can see, and start setting this. You see favorites, the favorites is showing nothing, and here there is other option where you can add favorite contact to your favorite phone number or favorite calls. So now when you do here, you can navigate to your contacts. Is going to show you all the contacts you have in our Android phone. It is showing you also the groups here, contacts. So you can see phone, you can see favorites, you can see groups. So it is showing you also the groups. So once you want to call somebody, it is also going to call somebody, and you need to type the phone number here. And for example, you are going to type the phone number, which is uh, about this. So once you are done this typing his phone number, and you can choose to call this person by clicking on whether it is SIM number 1 or SIM number 2, without going to the choices and without going to various options. Here I can click on this for the SIM number 2, and it is also directing itself to the SIM number 2. You see now it is calling from the SIM number 2 to this person, and I can also change the Bluetooth and with this person also. Now I can also see the various options, and you see there are filter colors, there are search colors, there are clear history, there are speed there, there are system color settings and settings also itself. So you see this application now is amazing, and you can be using this. Here you can see also I can add some phone call to this email. Also it is simple to use, and you can be using this for customizing your phone calls session, and you can be using to manage all phone calls in your Android phone. So thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to our friends. Also turn on the notification bell button, so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Nomax TV. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.